Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Selamat pagi. Fala ila mo pula ila morning lato. Aile to for my breakfast mo ba? Ya but no kupala ito. Company kana te transporter. Taxi mo kadena basiko.
War taxi mo ile sa konin bure. Kamaya bu na jeans may tabo pagawut.
Yesterday you were in Lamaybuna. What time you came back?
I came back from 11:30.
So how's the ATM?
The ATM was
ladies and gentlemen, yes I know. One story Demesi told us in the morning about one Kandavun boy. You know, in the COVID-19 days, COVID-19 pandemic, some people have no job.
No job,
So this Kandavun boy was working from Kandavu, and he realized, man, my children is just like the steps. Many children. So he realized that the plantation will take a time to grow, to maturize. So he remember. He's one of his colleague, his partner, best friend, former boss. He's ahead of him. He's the leader. So he messaged the boss that he wants to come back to work. So when they were messaging, this fellow from Kandav was telling the problem. I'm here. I have many children. My plantation just started, and then he want to ask.
I don't have source of income right now.
I don't have any source of income. So this Kandavun boy texts the boss. It's the text goes like this. Dear boss, is there any vacancy is there any vacancy in your company? So this driver, this Kandavun boy didn't know this driver was, this boss was driving. So he received a message that goes like this.
No, wait.
What? Okay, come again.
Some of the short form. So na. Wala like ni boss na lol.
Like a lol. Laugh out loud. OMG, oh my gosh. Can I ATT? I don't know. Then this fellow messaged the boss. Is there any vacancy in your company? So he received a text message from the boss. The boss said. The boss said in his message. Chekia or Choweli ATM driving. This fellow was really shocked, but because he has no license, he turned to the wife from the village in Kandav. He said, Marida, this fellow is crazy, the boss. He don't know I have no license. Who will go there and drive the ATM lorry? No, that's the small force, long form of I'm driving at the moment. At the moment, I'm driving. So this Kandavun boy thought he want to go, or the boss wants him to drive the ATM lorry.
Okay, era matani ko mikipin na dito. Era bang daw tayo chicken son na ganggang di sere.
Lulu sa sige nila kana withdraw. Ay kali sa kami office.
Awala sa kami ya. Okay. Au kare-kare na nuko may Honolulu.
I scratch all the beaches in Honolulu.
No.
Yes.
Okay. Stava. Okay. Lele biling-biling ang rele.
Sling, you push my trouble.
Au may sikaluto ena nomo yan dia.
I fall down at the edge of your hip.
Kere mo tiro koningito.
Please, you swallow it. Don't you ever play it.
Okay, now why na view sama mau?
All the pineapple is distracted. I'm airing my Esprado.
Sereka mai na iwongo.
You release your temperature.
O karuanga mai lautoka.
The second one of you is from Lautoka.
No gubakasuba.
You are my city.
My city baby.
My city baby.
One people, one bus, one river. Kenavovich.
Dua na Tamatamata. Dua na Mbasi. Dua na Ikeli.
Okay, don't go. Take it low.
You plant it softly.
Okay, masuta mole sutalema.
I pray that you're gone forever. I am another one here. Your name is a textbook to my heart. I have lost my right on you.
Okay, don't go.
I am wondering what cup you have.
Bachi.
You ride Satan's boat. You ugly looking Satan.
Okay.
I am broken shackle, my wine on my lamb. Your lie is like I'm lying to you. I'm very soft-hearted. You liar. You know money.
Okay, dongo. Mosita go out, Mosita.
I cry loneliness when my mind is thinking of another girl.
Sulutaboy Evanginayawa.
The clothes that go on the side, it's like a handkerchief.
Okay. Ratu Raboto, Tamata Koto.
You ugly frog. You want to disturb.
You want to be a frog.
You want to be a frog. You frogless.
Okay, Dongo. Totolo mai niusa loma.
Please hurry up. I'm pregnancy.
Okay, sago chiko bikin tahu. Romatal bukan dua nama tak lebih yang kuah. Nama Viti, one people, one bus, one river.
Dua tamatan, dua nambasi, dua tamani keli.
Totolo mai niusa loma.
Please hurry up. I'm pregnancy. Oh, please hurry up. I'm maternity unit.